A dog groomer accused of elder abuse and sexual assault appears in court, and the hearing was supposed to determine if bail should be reduced for him, but at the last minute, things changed. Good evening, and thank you for joining us. I'm Carlo Cicchetto.
I'm Marcella Lee. 52-year-old Tony Choi is being held behind bars tonight. His bail set at $1 million. CBS 8's Steve Price was in court for today's hearings and explains what happened.
Tony Choi, who faces multiple felony counts, including attempted rape of a 75-year-old woman, was supposed to be in court today for a hearing to talk about possibly lowering his bail. But then a twist. He changed attorneys, going from a public defender to a private attorney, and that changed everything.
Next case.
Judge Francisco Sanchez ruled we can't show you Choi's face in court. But
that's my #1 safety concern is safety for the dog.
We've interviewed Choi before after multiple complaints from clients of his dog grooming business.
To see my dog after the fact, and she's curled up in a corner and obviously traumatized. I don't even want to think about what happened in that van.
Sheriff's deputies say Choi on Halloween approached a 75-year-old woman while she was outside her home near the Torrey Highlands area and asked her if she wanted her dogs washed. She invited him inside, and deputies say the 52-year-old groomer tried to sexually assault her. Fortunately, a caregiver at the home interrupted the attack and Choi ran away. He was arrested that night outside his home in Solana Beach.
Wait time, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Choi is currently in custody, being held on $1 million bail. At today's hearing, lowering his bail was supposed to be the main topic of discussion, but because he switched attorneys, that didn't happen.
It was terrible. It really was.
Despite pictures of multiple dogs with what appear to be grooming-related injuries, Choi does not currently face any charges related to his business.
It would be hard for us to prove that that was malicious intent, as opposed to accidental and just kind of poor grooming.
Choi is also no stranger to law enforcement. He's been arrested several times before, including for allegedly driving under the influence of drugs. He's scheduled to be back in court in March for a preliminary hearing. In Vista, Steve Price, CBS 8.